back to another video with Ava. That's me. Today we'll be making cookies, not regular cookies, sugar cookies. The ingredients you will need is, of course, your sugar cookies, your roller, your icing, your icing pin, your sprinkles, and your cookie cutter. This one is like an elf. This one is Santa Claus. And this one is a cute little reindeer. Let's begin. Let's start opening our cookies. So be careful with scissors because you don't want to get cut. So now make sure they're not close to the cookies because you don't want to cut the cookies. Now let's get it out. Ooh, look at those. So make sure you already washed your hands. And now you want to get it out. And you want to make it into like a ball because, yeah, it's kind of sticky. So you want to make it into a ball. Look at that. And it's okay if you make a mess. Now let's make it into a ball. Your ball doesn't have to be perfect, but just try your best because what matters is try your best. Now you want to put it up here. Get your roller. Now let's roll it. Wow. So sticky. Look, guys. Okay. So now that we're all done making it into a ball, it's done. We already rolled it. So now we're going to start putting the elf in there, as you can see. So let's start. And make sure you can put as many as you can. Look at that. That little heat line there is so cute. Let's do Santa Claus. Now let's make it into a powder. Can't really see it. Okay. Now let's do Santa Claus. And if it gets stuck, so let's go back into the pot. me do some of these. So I'm going to start pushing down a little bit harder. Yep, that's way better. Now let's redo the reindeer because he's missing a nose. And he's still missing a nose. Let's just let that be. So, reindeer's next. I hope this one's not missing. That's kind of better. And now it's Santa Claus. I'm about to go start spreading my pan, and I'm not going to put them in the oven, but as you can see, the oven is already on 350 once you set it to 350. So look at them, they're so cute. They're in kind of little panos. Let's go get my pan. You shake it up, pop. Let's do this. Now we're done, guys. After hours and hours and hours, keep on repeating. I'm not going to put it in the oven because I don't want to get burnt over here. So my mom is, and as you can see, the oven's already over there for 350. They look so cool. And this is what we had. The other ones wasn't working. And you don't even see no reindeers in there because the reindeer wasn't even working. Like, I could say the reindeer wasn't working. So, yeah. You hear that? That means cookies are done. Look at those. As you can see, kind of one of them, like, connect to one and one of them are burnt. And a lot of them are connected, but I tried. I'm only 7. Now it's time to decorate. So I got my ice pin. I'm about to open it. So if you don't know what this is, you want to open your frosting. Look at that, so blue and nice. You want to get your spoon, and then you want to get like some of it, but you want to like fold it all the way to the top. Put it in there. Like you want to put it 2, I say. Like one more. Yum. And then you want to decorate it, you want to push it down. And then I think it should, yep, it's supposed to come. So like you can just do the lines. Please. It's not that perfect. I'm just saying. It's like a nice way now. got some now that looks kind of crazy. Let's get some sprinkles of ours. How about I might just put this on? Make sure I don't put that much. It looks covered. I think I have an idea. This one's like gonna have the eye like in a weird spot. And then the mouth is gonna be sideways, and then the arms. I'm gonna use some hearts. Yum! Let's net this toe. How about I change this? Look at that bluish. Yum. I'm going to change it to this one so it can be a little bit faster. Whoa, that looks so cool. So I'm going to like make a big smile right there. And then let's put it right there. And then you'll turn. Because the mustache looks like an H. Let's get some sprinkles. Going to double this one. Oh no! That was so much. That would look crazy. So when I'm done finishing, I'm gonna come back. I don't think I might do this one because look at it. Look at it. Like it looks so burnt. So I'm just gonna put this like right there. And then look at the other ones. They look pretty good. So I'll come back when I'm done. Now that some of them are all done getting decorated, I'm gonna have a taste test and go invite my friends to taste them. Well, my sisters and one of her friends are over here. So let's call their names. Jada, Brittany, Nala, her friend. Yeah. You guys should have a cookie. Grab one.
Okay. Take break.
So you guys, how is the cookies?
This is the first time I could cook.
Yeah.
It's good for the first time.
Uh-oh, sound like you got a little crisp to it, a little bite.
A little.
How is your cookie?
Good.
You like it? It's very crispy from
Very
the crunch. Very hard. Oh. Chef, she's trying to tell you that your cookies are hard.
Next time, don't leave them in for so long. You know, this is a little advice from the best cookie master we have.
Okay.
The best. She says she's the best.
No, I know how to.
Chef, how do you feel about that? You're ignoring all that? She ignores all that hate. She said the haters be real over there, but yet y'all still eating her cookies. That's how they be.
It tastes like anything. It doesn't taste like anything.
Because you got the plain one.
You should have got some frosting on yours. So, Chef, what do you rate your cookie?
I don't know.
A 6. A 7, actually.
What do you rate your cookie, Chef?
10.
Okay, that's good. That's how you're supposed to think highly of yourself. Well, y'all heard it first from the haters and from the real chef.
Now that the haters are gone, I can finish decorating my cookies and eat them all by myself. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was awesome. Bye guys.